Hello everyone, my name is Megha Dayani. As you know, I am your science teacher. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. But before starting that, you are supposed to pray. So join your hands, close your eyes and chant the mantra. Okay, come back. A very good morning to one and all. So before starting the chapter, let us understand the meaning of the words which are framed to name the chapter, that is sorting materials into groups. Sorting करना मतलब क्या होता है? अलग अलग चीज़ों को सॉर्ट करना, उनको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना, मिक्स चीज़ें जो पड़ी होती हैं उनको अलग अलग छांट देना, अलग अलग चीज़ों को रख देना. ओके, ग्रुप्स में रखना है, जो चीज़ जैसी होगी उस हिसाब से. डिटेल में लर्न करेंगे चैप्टर में कि कैसे सब कुछ होता है. सबसे पहले तो हमारे आसपास कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं, दैट यू आर सपोज टू सी. फ्यू एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन हियर एंड यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर सराउंडिंग यू. ओके, राइट नाउ कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमारे आसपास होते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं: पाइप, टेबल, मार्बल, शर्ट, ग्लास, ब्रिक, बॉक्स. So we'll take these examples to understand how we can group these objects. Okay, there can be different ways. The first way is according to the size. साइज़ के हिसाब से हम इन चीज़ों को अलग कर सकते हैं, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, या तो दूसरा नाम इसका है जो सॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. सी, बिग एंड स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यस. सेकेंड वे वी कैन डिफ्रेंशिएट और सॉर्ट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द शेप. हियर सिलेंडर, क्यूबॉइड, फ्लैट, round. According to these shapes you can differentiate these objects. Next way you can differentiate them is according to their color. You can see here according to their color you can differentiate. White objects are there, brown objects are there, blue, green. Last is according to their use, like keeping things, construction, playing, wearing, drinking, transporting water. This is according to their use. There is one more property according to which we can group these objects or sort this object, that is according to their material, from which kind of material that particular object is formed. Table is made up of wood, marble is made up of glass, pipe is made up of plastic, shirt is made up of cotton, glass is made up of metal, brick is made up of mud, box is made up of paper. So these are the materials used to make this object. Material क्या होता है उसको और डीप में लर्न करेंगे. Any substance or mixture of substance which has mass and volume, कोई भी चीज़ जिसके पास मास या तो वॉल्यूम होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मटीरियल. How these materials are formed? One single object formed from different materials. One example is given. See कैसे कैसे हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल आएंगे. उसमें सबसे पहला है डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स यूज़ करके कोई एक सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट बन सकता है. येस, यूजिंग डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स वन सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी फॉर्म. एन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर: बाइसिकल, रबर, प्लास्टिक, मेटल. दिस डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स आर यूज्ड. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज यूटेंसिल. हैंडल इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड और प्लास्टिक एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द पोर्शन इज ऑफ मेटल. One more example is spectacle. It is made up of glass and plastic. So these were the examples of the single object formed from different materials. In the same way we can learn about single object formed from single material. Examples are, see, balloon which is made up of rubber, toy which is made up of plastic, towel which is made up of cotton. नेक्स्ट, सिंगल मटेरियल मेक्स डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. कोई भी एक सिंगल मटेरियल है. अभी जैसे हमने देखा कि टॉवेल है वो कॉटन से बना हुआ है, तो क्या कॉटन से सिर्फ टॉवेल बनता है? नो नो, मेनी अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो कैन बी फॉर्म. सी हियर, फ्रॉम वुड यू कैन मेक टेबल, डोर, चेयर, वार्डरोब्स. सेम वे यूजिंग कॉटन you can make shirt, bedsheet, pants, towels and many more other examples also. So these are materials and objects. See, using glass you can make beaker, glass, bottle. Using plastic you can make bottle, pipe, wires. Using steel, railways and bridges are made. Using mud or soil, brick and fort is made. Okay. Now see, here some objects are given. You have to think and you have to differentiate them. आप किस हिसाब से इनको अलग ग्रुप में करोगे. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है. देखो, बॉक्स, हेयर ड्रायर, टेबल, चेयर, बॉक्स, टॉय, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, कार. These are all the materials or objects given here. How will you group them? These three are made up of plastic, so we can make the group according to the material which it is made. Made up from plastic, made up from wood, and made up from using more than one or more materials. See, metal and plastic is used to make screwdriver, and metal and rubber is used to make car. Now let us check the knowledge of yours. Here many examples are given. You have to find the odd one out. बास्केटबॉल, इरेजर, ग्लव्स, ट्यूब, बॉटल, बलून, ये 6 चीज़ें दी है. ऑड वन आउट पिक करो. सोचो कौन सा इसमें से ऑड वन आउट होगा. Which is the odd one? Bottle. Why? Because bottle is made up of plastic or glass, and rest of the materials are made up of rubber. See, you can see here. Only bottle is one object which is made up of plastic or glass. Rest all the objects were made up from rubber. So today in the first session of chapter number 4, we have covered these first 3 topics. See, the objects around us are made up of a large variety of materials. A given material could be used to make a large number of objects. It is also possible that an object could be made up of a single material or of many different types of materials. Different types of materials have different properties. What different properties do they have, that we will learn in detail in the next session. For today, this much is enough. Stay home, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.